Okay, so the chain, where it runs does vary, but generally what we're trying to do, you can see how the hook looks into that loop. And sometimes we go underneath the arms. In this case we're going over the top of the arm to get back to our tire point here. But what's important is when the chain is pulled tight, that it's in a straight line, that it's not pushing down on the arms, it's not pushing on one of these, it's not pushing on that yellow shaft. So the way we've threaded it through here means it's going to run. So we've hooked that up nice. You need to make sure that's not going to slip off through there and then back out the other side. Now with the green ratchet tightener, the best thing I've found to do is hook it up over here somewhere. Again, you really want all this to be free in the air, not rubbing on any surface. So I've hooked that up. Then I'm going to pull that as tight as I can, grab the loose end and try and hook it as far up the chain as possible. If you hook it too far down the chain and have too much slack to start with, and you wind in these threads, you'll run out of thread before it gets tight. So you do have to pull it up, like not super tight, it's a chain, it's not that easy to pull, but kind of pull it up as much as you can and get it hooked onto one of the links on this other end. And then it's just a matter of using the ratchet to get it to spin the right way. So for tightening, it's going to spin that way, anti-clockwise, and for loosening, it's going to spin clockwise. And you're trying to get this here to spin on these two threaded shafts, and that'll make the shafts pull in and it'll tighten up. And you can obviously use the handle with the ratchet to push it tighter, but when you bring it back it won't loosen. So I'll tighten that up and we're going to have a look at how it looks in the end.